Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use aggregate with average function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a 1 to 10 numbers, and here the average function in Excel, it adds all the numbers together and divides the sum by the count of number. So let's start to calculate aggregate with average. So first I use only the average function. So select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the average and select here the average function. Then select the range of data, bracket close and enter. Here the average amount is calculated. But when I hide some rows, suppose I hide here 4 to 7, okay, 4 to 7 row number, right click of the mouse and click on the hide. Here you can see the average amount is not changed accordingly hide data. Okay. But when you use the aggregate with average, the amount will change accordingly hide data. So let's see how it's done. So I select again and right click of the mouse and click on unhide. Okay. Now I remove this formula. Use the is equal to. Now I use aggregate. Now select the average function. The first number of the function is average. So select the first one and use the comma. Then select the 5 number, the ignore hidden rows. Okay, the 5 number for ignore hidden rows. Use the comma. Then select the range of data. Then bracket closed and enter. Same as calculate the average amount of the range of data. But when you hide some rows, suppose I select the 4 to 7, and right click of the mouse and click on the hide, you can see the average amount is changed accordingly hide the data. Okay. If you want to remove this decimal, select the cell. Okay. Go to the home. Okay. Then in numbers group have a decrease decimal option. Just click on it and you can see the decimal is decreased here. Okay. If you want to increase, just click on the increase decimal, this option. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.